Keep watching if you want to learn how to make this Vietnamese fish noodle soup, also called Bún Cá. We'll be using vegetarian soup bases. First, we're going to prepare the fish and the fish cake. Pause if you want to get the ingredients. To make the fish cake, oil a mixing bowl well and add half a pound of fish paste. Add half a teaspoon of black pepper and knead it all together. You can find fish paste at your local Asian supermarket. Form the fish paste into a flat patty and throw it in the steamer for 10 minutes. Both fish cake and fish are completely optional for this dish. You can use any protein you'd like. After allowing the fish cake to cool, cut it into any shapes and slices you'd like. And there you have it, delicious fish cakes. Next, we're going to prepare the broth. Pause here if you want to grab a screenshot of the ingredients. First, heat up 2 ounces of oil and sauté your minced garlic. Add the pumpkin and tomato wedges and stir fry. Then add 1 tablespoon of Quoc and Chua, which is our tamarind soup base, and sauté for 5 minutes on medium heat with the lid on. Then add pineapples, another tablespoon of our tamarind soup base, and sauté for another 5 minutes on medium heat with the lid on. Remove the vegetables and place aside. Without cleaning the pan, heat up 2 ounces of oil and add your salmon. Add 2 tablespoons of our tamarind soup base to the salmon and sear for 5 minutes on high heat with no lid. The objective is to create a crust around the salmon to lock in the flavor and make sure that the salmon is firm so it doesn't break up in the soup. Now heat up 2 tablespoons of annatto oil and sauté your sliced shallots. Carefully add 1 gallon of water and 10 tablespoons of our Quoc soup chay, which is our vegetarian soup base, the second soup base used in this recipe. Add back all of the stir-fried vegetables from earlier, as well as your seared salmon. Be very careful when stirring as to not break up the salmon. Adjust the broth to your liking. Add more soup base or more water, it's up to your preference. Next, prepare your vermicelli based on packaged instructions. Assemble your bowl starting with the vermicelli, fish cakes, salmon, and vegetables. Ladle over the hot, delicious broth and serve with sides of condiments and garnishings like bean sprouts and thinly sliced cabbage. Here, we're topping it off with some thinly sliced green onions, cilantro, and some fried shallots. Don't forget the black pepper. And there you have it, delicious Bún Cá or Vietnamese fish noodle soup. All in under 1 hour. If you like this recipe, make sure to subscribe for more. Thank you so much for watching.